Hey, wonderful people! This video is in 360 degrees. So, what does that mean? It means you can look around and experience it from every angle, like you're actually there. It's super cool if you're using VR headsets, but you can also move up, down, left, or right your phone or swipe on your screen to explore. I'm really excited to bring you this immersive experience. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more. And with that, let's dive into the video. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a walk down one of the most iconic streets in the world, Las Ramblas in Barcelona. This place is legendary, and trust me, it's got a vibe like no other. I'm starting my journey at Plaça de Catalunya and making my way all the way down to the monument to Columbus, right by the old port. Oh, and don't forget, this video is in 360 VR. So you can feel like you're right here with me. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on this adventure. So let's dive in. Las Ramblas is more than just a street, it's a symbol of Barcelona. This boulevard stretches just over a kilometer, but don't let its size fool you. It's packed with history, culture, and over 70 million visitors every year. Yeah, you heard that right, 70 million. It's like a river of people flowing all the way to the Mediterranean Sea. But before we get into the 17 must-do things here, let's talk a little history. Las Ramblas wasn't always this bustling hotspot. Back in the day, Barcelona was a walled city, and where Las Ramblas is now, there used to be a stream that brought water down from the mountains. The name, Rambla, actually comes from the Arabic word, Ramla, which means sandy riverbed. Cool, right? Fast forward to the 18th century, and Las Ramblas became this glamorous promenade with fancy lampposts, flower stalls, and even a little bird market. It quickly became the place to see and be seen. Today, it's divided into 6 sections, each with its own name and personality. Alright, let's start at Plaça de Catalunya, the heart of the city. This is where our journey begins. The first section is called Rambla de Catalunya. There's a famous fountain here, and legend has it that if you drink from it, you'll return to Barcelona. I took a sip, and well, here I am. Also, if you're lucky enough to be here when FC Barcelona wins a big game, this is where fans come to celebrate. It's electric. Now, let's talk about cocktails. Just a few steps away, tucked into Carretallers, you'll find Boadas Cocktails, the oldest cocktail bar in Barcelona. This place has been around since the 1930s, and it's got that old-school charm. Hemingway, Dali, and Picasso have all sipped drinks here. My go-to? The Alexandra. It's smooth, it's classy, and it's one of the 17 things you gotta do on Las Ramblas. Next up, if you need a little something from the pharmacy, head to Farmacia Nadal at number 121. This place has been around since 1918, and the mosaic facade is stunning. It's like stepping back in time. As we keep walking, we hit Rambla dels Estudis. Here, you'll find the Real Academia de Ciències i Arts de Barcelona. Look up, and you'll see a clock that's been keeping Barcelona's official time for over a century. It's one of those little details that makes this street so special. Now, let's talk souvenirs. Back in the day, the kiosks along Las Ramblas were all about newspapers and magazines. These days, they're packed with postcards, t-shirts, and magnets. But hey, the postcards are still a classic. Grab one to remember your trip. If you're into culture, don't miss the Palau de la Verena. This 18th century Baroque palace hosts exhibitions and cultural events, And the best part? It's free to enter. Take a peek inside and soak up some history. Okay, foodies, this one's for you. The Mercat de la Boqueria is a must-visit. This market is a feast for the senses. From fresh fruits to seafood, it's a food lover's paradise. My top picks? Kiosk Universal for some killer seafood and Bar Pinaxo, a legendary spot run by the one and only Juanito Band. The guy's 86 and still serving up smiles and delicious food. Next, we hit Rambla de les Flors, the flower section. Back in the 19th century, this was the only place in Barcelona where you could buy flowers. The tradition lives on, and it's the perfect spot to pick up a bouquet. Now, for something a little different, how about the Museu de l'Erotica? Yep, Barcelona's got an erotic museum, and it's as unique as it sounds. With over 800 pieces from different cultures, it's definitely one of a kind. If you've got a sweet tooth, stop by Escriba, one of the city's most famous pastry shops. The owner, Christian Escriba, is like the Willy Wonka of Barcelona. Try the May West Lips cake or the sac or torte with edible caramel drops. Trust me, it's art you can eat. As we keep walking, keep an eye out for the Casa del Paredes, or the Umbrella House. The building's got this huge Chinese dragon holding a lantern. It's wild. The dragon symbolizes prosperity, and it's a nod to the owner's umbrella business. Now let's talk art. On the ground, you'll find a mosaic by Joan Miró. It's subtle, but it's a masterpiece. This marks the start of Rambla dels Capucins, where you'll find the Gran Teatre del Liceu, Barcelona's iconic opera house. Even if you're not into opera, the building itself is stunning. Feeling fancy? Stop by Café de l'Opera, a modernist cafe that's been around since 1929. It's the perfect spot for a coffee or a sweet treat. If you're up for a detour, take a stroll down Cara de Ferran. It's one of the most emblematic streets in the Gothic Quarter, leading you to Plaça de Sant Jaume, the political heart of the city. And finally, we reach the end of Las Ramblas at the monument to Columbus. Take the elevator up to the top for a 360-degree view of the city. It's the perfect way to wrap up your visit. So, there you have it, 17 incredible things to do on Las Ramblas. This street is alive with history, culture, and energy. I hope you enjoyed this virtual tour. Thanks for watching this video and walking with me in this adventure of 360 grades video. Don't forget to like, to comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.